Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video, we are gonna do a little DIY dollar store decor, farm style edition. So I actually saw this little arrangement from a fellow YouTuber and I wanted to make it for our big kitchen reveal and I thought it turned out so cute. And so I wanted to make a couple for some family members. So I made one for my grandma and my aunt. And I kind of revamped the one I'd already made. I put a couple extra flowers in there, so I'll show you guys that in a second. But first, I have a surprise for you guys. I had this in my head for a while now, and yesterday I finally went and did it. You guys ready? I chopped off all my hair. Oh my gosh, you guys. It was like 10 inches. Possibly more. We forgot to measure it, but we're pretty sure it was at least 10 inches. I mean, it was like down to here. So I love it. I feel so much lighter. It feels so weird. Like I never have short hair ever. I've maybe had short hair twice in my whole entire life. So yeah, it feels really weird, but I really like it. Wanted something different. So, all right, if you guys aren't already subscribed, I would love it if you would hit that subscribe button and join our little family here. Hit the thumbs up if you like videos like this. And oh yeah, so here, this is what I'm gonna show you guys. So originally I made this with just the purple flowers and I had these little sunflowers for my daughter's birthday and they were just kind of sitting in a mason jar and I was like, I wonder if that would be cute if I added it in here. So I thought that turned out really cute and it's all Dollar Tree items. So this cost about $6 or $7 to make and I know there's ones online for like $40 to $60. That is insane. Who would spend that much? So, all right, if you guys wanna see how I made this, keep watching. All right, guys, here are all of the items I used to make the little arrangements. I got everything from Dollar Tree and they had the best selection of flowers. I was blown away. I mean, they're so cute. So the first thing I did was I started by taking off all of the tags. And I just wanted to make sure everything was open and kind of get it prepped. And I definitely bought too many of these things. I only used 2 per little arrangement, but I did end up using the other 2 on the flowers I already made. So next thing you're going to do is just make sure the leaves are pushed all the way up, and you're going to take your wire cutters and just start cutting them. And I kind of held one of them up to the tin just to see how tall I wanted them to be. This is like probably the most annoying part, is just cutting the wire. I did finally get into a groove where I was able to get a really good hold of them, and you just kind of twist it and then they pop off. But do be careful because sometimes the ends can get a little sharp where the wires are popping out. So be careful if you have little ones trying to help. And then once you have your flowers all cut off, you're just going to take the little blocks and place them in there, and you're just going to start putting the flowers in. I kind of tried to disperse them evenly and do like a purple one and then a white one, just however you want, and just keep putting them in. once you're done with that, you're going to take your Spanish moss, and the stuff is kind of hard to break apart, and it can get very, very messy, but that's what the Dyson's for, right? So I was just breaking parts of it off and just sticking them in the top, and you don't need too much because it kind of looks like it's completely filled with just the moss when you just put it on top, so you don't need a whole lot. I originally bought one bag for each one, but I ended up only using maybe a bag and a half, if that. And then I just repeated all the steps for the second little arrangement. And then I actually just took all the moss that had fallen on the ground and just kind of got it all up and put it back in the tins. And then I vacuumed the rest up. It wasn't too bad. And that is it, you guys. I think these turned out super cute and they were super inexpensive and easy to make. The two of them I made probably in under 10 minutes. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up and we'll see you all next time. Bye!